Hello, it's Bapa here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Today the weather is very cold and I was actually making my usual cheese sandwich. I thought I was gonna share with you guys. So let's make some cheese sandwich today. For the cheese sandwich, I use 3 kinds of cheese. So one of the soft cheese can be brie or camembert, French cheese. Another one is a hard cheese. You can use something like Gruyere or Parmesan, something very hard. In this case, I'm using Swiss Gruyere. You need a smoky cheese. I'm using smoky cheddar, but you can use other smoky cheese if you want to. So I got cheeses here, some bread, some fried onion, some sun-dried tomato, some honey, some paprika, some mixed herbs, and some butter spread. Butter the bread, both sides. Salt, pepper. Pan is on medium heat. Get a little bit of color like this. I'm using Vienna bread. You can use sourdough, white bread, any bread of your choice. At the moment the bread is hot. You can't put the cheese on the cold bread, then it wouldn't melt nicely. So now we're gonna put some cheese there. A little bit of fried onion, a bit of sun-dried tomatoes, sprinkle of mixed herbs. I'm gonna put a bit of paprika, but if you want you can put chili. And my secret ingredient, some Australian honey. And I'm gonna just close it and finish the rest off in the pan. Put generous amount of butter. Just cover it. Remember not to put it on high heat, then the bread will burn. Around 3 to 4 minutes on each side. As soon as you see cheese melting, we're gonna take it off. So now we're gonna check the situation whether cheese is started to melt. We're just gonna turn it over. Look, wow. Another couple of minutes and it'll be done. Check. Cheese completely melted. Time to take it off. Can you hear the crunch? Look at that. Wow. Oh my god. Make sure you try this at home. If you like this video, please leave a like. It really helps out my channel. And if you want more video like this, please leave in the comment section. I would love to get feedback from you guys whether I can put this sandwich in my menu. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.